is a rear elevator at the Rampark Garage in Lincoln, Nebraska. This is also Dover as well, from 1976. This is going to be 1080p 60 frames. So here we go. Soon getting modernized by Elitech. And here it comes. It's up on 3. This one doesn't serve the basement. It does serve S to 1. And here it is. Alright, let's go at the 6. This one's still traction to me as well. Here is 6. Let's go right down to the street. These are your fixtures. Adams Survivor Plus banner assistance. Phone over there. Card number 2. Snap cap. Fornicator. Here at the street level. Alright, and that's it. Alright, that's it.